Hello guys! My photographer today is my honey. Anyways, I asked my honey to get a video because as I have experienced a lot in Hong Kong, guys. I saw it they were using more in like that. So now at this time, I applied for myself and I applied for my family. Ito yung tinatawag na anti-slip plastic cover, guys. Most of them they are using for the cabinet, so I find it there in the Walmart. I always, you know, the purpose of having putting on this one so that you no need to clean your drawers and cabinets all the time, guys, because see, you need to put a protector. Just like what I did for the old house before I leave, I cleaned all this because I didn't put anything anti-slip protector, but this time I just put it all in my drawers, guys. So this is the final drawer that I put to. So all of these drawers that I have here in the kitchen, I done everything, guys. Only these drawers I left. So I show you the purpose of this one, anti-slip mat, to protect dirty and not to slide all your things inside the cabinet. So I fit up already like this way, like that. So if you want, put some tape. Sometimes I put some tape that is not moving a lot, so I just put it under. I don't want to move all a lot. See, I put here under. I don't want to move, so I want to stick in one place. So I put all this one. I think I cannot put here final because the last one that I have is very short now. So this is the last steps that I'm gonna put in, guys, to put all my stocks in here, not to protect dirty, because I don't like too much work every time, because you know, need every week need to sometimes open up the drawer and clean it up. So this is the way that you don't need to do it cleaning all the time, guys. So put cover on it, so easy to wipe, just easy to wipe like that. Have dirty just like that, it not goes to the wall. So you go just like this. Now I'm ready to return all my stuffs like this way. Whatever here, return all my stuffs in here. This one I still have here, like that, and my Jimmer stuffs. And also I like to arrange my noodles, guys, here, so that easy for me to pick up one by one, like that. I don't like have lots of, you know, that's why if I have like this, I love to remove and file it one by one like that. So easy to pick it up one by one. This is how the way I arrange my stocks, guys. See, because they don't care like honey, they just pulling out one by one, but me, I don't like it. So I like to show them one by one, so easy for them to pull it out. So like that. And here's my coffee. Arrange my coffee. I like the place. I like my place. Tidy up everything. I have Jimro's Nutella. I have my honey in here. And Jimro's like, what's that? No, I want to transfer in here. This is his suka. That is her suka. So I just want to put it here back. Like this and like this. It's easy for me to pick it up. That's it, guys. See, look, I tidy up back all my drawers. This is how the way you taking care of your house, guys. Thank you for watching. See you for my next video. Bye.